video, what I'm planning to do is just give you some kind of styling rules and at the same time give you some ideas for outfits with things that you might already have in your wardrobe that you can use with these straight jeans to make them look absolutely fabulous. Okay, let's get to it. First and most important rule for me personally to style straight jeans is choosing the right length for your jeans, because I'm not a person that likes their jeans kind of touching the floor. Mostly with straight jeans, what happens is if you get them too long, they will bunch up in the bottom. So we have to differentiate between straight jeans and wide jeans. With wide jeans, you can let them go to the bottom and they look much better if you actually let them go to the bottom. But with straight jeans, they will bunch up in a really weird way and you just don't want that vibe. To look polished, your jeans shouldn't bunch up in the bottom. So normally I would choose an ankle length, which is the ones that I have personally. I got them in Abercrombie and I have them in a black and in a light blue. Styling tip number 2, choose your footwear wisely. Why do I say this? Because in my personal opinion, I don't think all types of shoes look great with ankle jeans. Actually, it's not that easy to find a pair of shoes that goes absolutely fantastically with ankle jeans. Let me show you an example. In this outfit here, I am wearing a more like sporty type shoe, which the shape is a little bit more like, you know, they start like a little bit chunkier in the back and then they go a little bit smaller at the top. Because the jean is straight, it just doesn't make it look flattering. You need something that kind of deviates the attention from the foot, right, and into your outfit. So for me, what works best with ankle jeans, and they actually look great with them, is loafers. I love loafers in general. I have like a million pairs unnecessary, but you know, I have them all, the colors, styles, everything. And I don't think you can find a style that actually folds them. Any type of loafers that you wear with, you know, straight jeans are gonna look amazing and are gonna make your look quite more elevated and a little bit classier and a little bit more like well put together. So if you find a pair of loafers that are quite comfortable, then, you know, ditch the trainers and go wear the loafers. But if you're not a loafers person, that's also fine. You can still wear them with trainers and they're gonna look really nice. What I would say is maybe try and go more for, you know, the ones that are, the trainers that are really on trend now, like the Sambas or the Adidas Special or the Gazelles, all these type of shoes where the sole is a bit more flat. Fantastic for these jeans. What we wanna avoid is looking a bit too oversized. And that's a good way to start my third point, which is try and really look out for your proportions when you're wearing your straight ankle jeans. And why I say this is because the jeans are already quite like, you know, straight and like oversized at the bottom, right, of your leg. And what you don't want is to really just look all oversized, like everything just chunky and big, and it's not flattering. And if it's your style, then, you know, go ahead. Also, this is not like rules of life, you know, it's just recommendations. But I really do think if you want to elevate your outfit, make it look classier, make it look more flattering to your body, then there always needs to be a bit of proportion. So if your legs already have a little bit of oversizedness in them, then it is better to wear something a little bit tighter. And it doesn't mean you have to wear a super tight t-shirt, but if you, for example, want to wear it with a blazer, like an oversized blazer, you definitely can, and it will look really cool. But maybe inside, don't wear like an oversized shirt or an oversized t-shirt. And if you do, you want to tuck it into your trousers. You don't want it to just be like hanging there. You can obviously wear it also with like your chunky sweaters or like your oversized sweaters. What I would recommend in that case is also just to like tuck them in at the front, so not everything's just hanging, but there is a little bit of like you showing that upper part of the jean and at the same time, you know, kind of still wearing your oversized sweaters. The next tip actually connects really well with the previous one, and is if you do want to wear, you know, a shirt or an oversized t-shirt or an oversized sweater, then what I would personally recommend is tuck them in. And it doesn't have to be completely tucked in. I would say a shirt maybe do tuck in. They will look a little bit nicer. It will make, you know, kind of make the outfit look a little bit well put together. But at the same time, you can also just tuck it in the front if the oversized, you know, vibe is your thing. It will still give it a completely different vibe that if you just leave the shirt or leave the sweater just hanging in there. And another thing to take into account is that straight jeans, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, are really good to dress down or up, because you can dress them up and it won't be like a client meeting type of trouser, but at the same time it is a very nice workwear type of option when you want to look a little bit more relaxed. What we would do with this, like with this type of outfit, like a workwear outfit, would be you're gonna have to kind of do the sandwich rule that they call, and it's actually go a little bit monochromatic up and down, same color up and down, and then your jeans in the middle to make it look a little bit more elevated and a little bit, more decent and more work appropriate. What we would do for this is I would pair like a blazer like this and then a pair of like black high heels of the style that you like. I really like the pointy heels for the office, but it's up to you also. It will make the look so much nicer. And I think the last thing from me, guys, would be just go a little bit crazy. Honestly, give it a shot. Try on different stuff, like try on different options and see what actually makes you feel better with yourself and what actually makes you look better. Look in the mirror and whatever you like, go for it. Ignore every rule if you think that whatever you're wearing looks good, because you just gotta go with your instincts. You gotta go with the flow, and if you feel good, who cares about the rest of us? And that is it from me, beautiful people. I hope you enjoyed the video. I had loads of fun preparing it and like just showing you the different outfits. Ask me any questions that you want in the comments below. As always, don't forget also to like and subscribe to the channel and turn those notifications on. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Mwah!